If you're looking for a lovely stretch of steady water for kayaking, the Kennet and Avon Canal is the place to explore. You can start in Bathampton, which is just 1 mile east of Bath. I actually travelled from Bristol and it's around 14 miles and the drive is worth it. How to get there? From the A36 fork, take a left onto Bathampton Lane, which leads into the High Street. This road will take you to a bridge over the Kennet and Avon Canal. And immediately after a sharp left, you'll find the George Inn car park. For sat-nav, use the postcode BA26TR. Where to launch your kayak? You can park on the road opposite the bridge and easily launch your kayak from the towpath either side of the bridge. And some information about the wonderful Kennet and Avon Canal. This is a very pleasant stretch of the canal with high water levels. It has the River Avon below it and the wooded hills above it. You can choose to kayak on any part of it really. However, if you want to navigate the full stretch from Bathampton to Avoncliff Aqueduct, taking a return trip will be around 11 miles. The best thing is that there are no locks there. There are 2 swing bridges, but kayakers can easily pass underneath without any problems. Enjoy your kayaking adventure.